Okay, good day everyone. I'm James Oriasno. So, this video I will be discuss to you the characteristics of learners with intellectual disability. So, the following are the characteristics of learners with intellectual disability. We have here a cognitive function. So, when we say cognitive function, more on siya mental concepts atong conceptual. And B, adaptive behavior. So when we say behavior, adaptive behavior, so more on as a siya, social and practical. And letter C, behavioral excesses and challenging behavior. D, positive attributes. Okay, let's move on. So A, cognitive functioning. So learning rate, children with intellectual disability acquire new knowledge at rate well below that of typically developing children. So kining mga student nga na ay mga learning na ay mga intellectual disability, so kon kay sila below the average, kon sila kining below sila than normal learners. And because students with learning disabilities learn more slowly than their peers. So, kuan sila kining mas slow ang ilang learning than sa mga learners nga normal. So, unsa may buhaton so as we teacher pohon or educator, unsa man natong buhaton? So, some educators assume that instruction should be slowed down to match their lower learning rates. So, naman kuan, so there are mga educators nga grabe ka ang ilang delivering sa ilang mga sa ilang message, grabe ka paspas. So ato dapat i-consider nato ang mga students kay wa ta kabalo sa atong mga students nga naay mga kining intellectual disability nga mga slow learners. So okay lang ang katong mga kining students nga dali ra maka-catch up sa lesson, mura to sila kining maka-benefits, but ang katong mga children nga grabe ka slow, dugay makasabot, so luoy kay sila sa atong sa klase. Okay, next. So memory. So this is one the problem, no, usa po ni sa mga problem nga sa student nga naay learning intellectual disability. So they have difficulty remembering informations, especially those with more severe impairment. Some students have difficulty with working memory or the ability to remember one thing while performing another task, as well as short-term memory or the ability to recall and use information encountered just a few seconds to a couple hours earlier. So, mo ni mga student nga, for example, na si teacher naghatag story or nag-discuss. So, paghuman mo ana si teacher nga, okay, kinsa may maka-recall sa atong gi-discuss karon. So, mga students nga naay kining intellectual disability, so grabe maglisod sila og recall sa mga information, dili sila maka-remember sa mga gipang discuss ni teacher. So careful ta mga teacher, no, nga dili day nato i-judge ang atong mga students kay basin daig na sila mga ing-ani nga mga disability, no, ato silang i-consider, dili dato dayon sila unsa pay tawag ani, ato dayon silang i-judge nga mo pagali pagka-discuss makalimot na dayon ka kay nakalimot na dayon ka. No, that's wrong mga teachers pohon, because naagi mga students nga mga ing-ana pod. So siguro gali makaingon gay pod ko sa akong kaugalingon nga murag nabilong pod ko ani kay dili kay ko makalimot, dili ko makahinumdum sa mga information nga gi-discuss sa atong mga teacher. So karon may numduman pa pagka dagdag pila ka oras, wa na dayon ato na dayong malimtan. Next, so attention. So they typically attend slower on relevant feature of a learning task than students without disability. They often have difficulty keeping attention on learning tasks. This results to other problems, including difficulties in acquiring, remembering, and generalizing new knowledge and skills. For example, si teacher naghatag og task pero ang students, no, ang mga students nga naay mga ani nga mga kuan kining sakit kanang intellectual disability, dili siya dili siya maka-focus kung tahay gitagaan siya kini nga task, pero ang students tuwa na kining na-distract sa laing mga butang. So kuan as a student nga naingana, maglisod jud siya og kuan, maka-acquire og mga knowledge, maka-remember, maka-generalize sa all the topic nga ilang discuss that moment. Next. So, generalization and maintenance. They have difficulty in transferring or generalizing newly learned knowledge and skills to settings or situation that differ from condition where they learned the skills. So, sa mga student kaming ani gyud, no, naagyud sila difficulty sa pag ang kanang ilang learning i-transfer nila in the real situation. So maglisod yun sila, na yun sila difficulty. Next, motivation. Some students lack interest in learning or participating in problem solving tasks. Kakulangan sa motivation, no? Usahay mga students nga naingani bisan pag tingali wala ingani no, naagya poy mga student nga murag kanang gingon diri some develop learned helplessness, no? Murag kini ilang giwalay pulos nga dili makatabang ni nga topic. So murag wala kay sila kuan, dili kay nila makuhaan og pansin. So lack of interest mga guys. Padayon ta, in which one's repeated experiences of failure result to expectation of failure regardless of effort. Some also develop outer directedness, in which an individual distrusts one's own responses to situation and rely on others for assistance and solution. So, masabdan naman siya. So, diri na ta sa B, which is the adaptive behavior. So, kung moingon kita adaptive behavior, social ni siya. So, diri under niya si self-care and daily living skills. So, direction, instruction, and environmental support such as added prompts and simplified routines are important in ensuring that limitation in their adaptive areas do not severely affect their quality of life. Those with less severe intellectual disability can benefit from training and self-management skills in order to achieve levels of performance needed to live independently and to have successfully employed. So, kini mga students nga kini mga learners nga naay intellectual disability, so more on dependent pagid kay ni sila, dili sila makakuan, dili sila kung naa sila task kaning naa sila task nga ipabuhat, so ay bisag sa ilang kaugalingon mismo dili sila makakuan, dili sila maka stand, no, need pa nila og kuan kining attention sa ilang kuan environment like parents, no, aron dili pa sila mahimo nga dili sila pwede nga mahimong independent. Next, sa letter C, behavioral accesses. So giingon dere, students with intellectual disability are more likely to exhibit behavior problems than those without. For instance, they may have difficulty accepting criticism, limited self-control, and bizarre and inappropriate behavior such as aggression or self-injury. So naay kuan nila no ay mga behavior nga dili yun nila mapugngan sa mga learners nga na intellectual disability, like aggression, no, like dili nila dili nila ma-accept ang ilang mga criticism kana na mga mag-criticize sa ila nga dili sila pod maka self control, dili kay nila makontrol ang ilang kaugalingon. Next, D, the positive attributes. So unsa maning the positive attributes? So dili lang mga negative no, napod sila yung mga positive attributes. Individuals with intellectual disabilities may display tenacity and curiosity in learning, have good relationship with others, and positively influence others individuals around them. So mo nila mga positive attributes. They were good in others. Yep. So although there are learners nga na ay mga ingani intellectual disabilities nga kining dili kay sila good sa ilang kining ilang peers kay usahay aggression man gud sila, but there are some mga learners nga naay with intellectual disability na good influence pod sila, na sila positive influence into others. Next, okay, so we have here assessment of intellectual disabilities. So mga assessment ni siya. So calculation of IQ score. So IQ scores relate mental age or MA or mental capacity based on the test score to chronological age or CA or the actual birth age. IQ score is calculated by dividing the NA by the CA and then multiply the result by 100. Ni Wilmschartz and Brew in the year of 2010. So for example natay, so di ba ang giingon diri diingon na MA, which is the student's mental age, divide CA, the chronological age, times 100. That ang result ana is mo nay IQ. So for example natay, so a student mental age natay 4 years and the student chronological age natay 5 years. So 4 divide 5 times 100, so that is 80. So the student's IQ is equal 80. Next, so assessment material for intellectual disability. So naatay mga assessment material for intellectual disability dinhi. So for the adaptive behavior and supports intensity assessment measures nara, so mo ni siya guys. We have test, purpose, ages, and testing time. So mo na ang sa adaptive behavior and supports intensity assessment measures. So next, sa development and school readiness assessment measures. So mo ni siya development and school readiness assessment measures. Next, so next, achievement assessment measures. Diri natay mga proponent kung giunsa nila giunsa pag measure ang IQ. And si Woodcock. So kamo na lay sabot ani guys, kay daghan ay taas magud kay siya kung ako pang isa-isahon. So inyo na lang i-review, i-open lang ninyo ni. or isend lang na ako sa inyo ang kining kuan ani picture. So flow chart to determine eligibility for ID. So natay flow chart dinhi para ma-identify nimo kung ang learner nga naay intellectual disability. So mo ni atong flow chart aron ma-identify nimo nga kanaday nga kwan student na siyay intellectual disability. So mo ni atong flow chart. So study lang mo ani basa. Kay daghan kaayo di makayag isa-isa kay madugay ta. So mo na guys, review lang mo kuan lang niyo ni. Save ang. So thank you for watching. So mo ra to, God bless us all.